Alright, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So on today's tutorial, we are going to be creating this artwork. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First of all, now I will touch this default background. This thing has changed, so now I will go to this place and change the background. Normally you see we are using black background. We didn't import any background here. Now click OK. Then I advise you should delete this normal text that come up. I will delete it. Then I will start by importing the pictures that I will be working with here. Let's open it. Just allow the thing to open. Allow it to open. Now see the pictures here. Now I will first of all open this one. On this juncture now, I will touch this something that looks like triangle that goes up. This one now, you see I touched it and this thing has changed position. So this is the position I want it to be. Now click OK. Then reduce this thing like this, keep it here. Then you can import the second picture here. Then open it, click on this, open this one and they bring this one also. Click OK. This is good. Reduce this thing also. Keep it here. Keep this one here. Just this way. Now, the next thing now to do is to, for some people that do ask me how I blend my background, how I blend the image I'm working with inside the background. This is the best and the easiest way to do it. You create a new shape like this. Then on this place, you will see few color gradient. You see, I've already created some of these things. I will touch this one that has black. Let me show you how I did it. On this panel here, this one that has this orange something under it, this one I'm touching now, it's black. I changed this one to black this way. It's okay. Then on this one now is transparent as you are seeing it. It has something like white and black here. If you check it, you see I dragged this thing. It was from here, we drag it to this place. Now click OK. You are seeing now the up side is transparent, then the down side is black. That's how to do it. When you open it, you click OK. This is how the thing looks like. You click OK also. This is it. You see the upside is not having any color, while the downside is having colors. When you're checking this picture, I just dropped this thing under it. You see the downside has blended while the up is still okay. This is how you do it. Then you now press it well. You will be copying and pasting it. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Now it's okay. This for copy and paste we did is okay. We will lock it so that it will not disturb us. Then we also lock these two pictures just this way. Now the next thing to do now is there is something I added to this design. I will now go and import them here. This from download. Now let me open it. This is the first one here. This is just something like paper that is carrying gun, which depicts the design I'm working with here. So now change this to white. This is perfect. to back, send this thing to the back this way, bring it somewhere here. This is cool. Then we go and import the light flare we added on top of these pictures. Just right here we touch it and we open. This is the light flare, we import it, we keep it here. This is the place the thing is. Then change it to white. This is cool. Leave it like this. So now we start on the aspect of text. We now put in the text. To put it, click OK. Bring it here. Increase the size of this text. Then click on bold style. Bold it. Go to the typeface, the font, change it to this. This is cool. This is the one. Bold Finder is the name of the font in case you need it. Keep it here. Done. Change the color to LED. This is the LED. Click OK, then go and add stroke. Stroke is like an outline. This is it. The outline color should be white. Increase this just this way. It's okay. Now we now import, create text for this, to put in the name of the artist. Bring it here. Bold. Okay, first of all, let's go this way. Bold Finder. I am using the same font for this. Keep this one here. Keep this one here. Edit this text this way. Then put in this one. Click OK. This is cool. Then copy the last one. Keep it here. Put the future in. Change this one to something different. Let's change this to this honey rollers. This is good. Now we change this thing to LED also. Position this. Now, but this red is not showing. I think we'll go with white all through. Now it's okay. So as you are seeing it, this is it. But I think something is remaining here, which is the branding, this thing we added here. I think we should check it. Although it's cool, let's leave it like this. So this is how we created the artwork. I believe this video is useful to you. So if it's interesting, do well to give this video a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you next time in my next video.